world full of dreams. Not everyone begins at the same starting line, and the reality is supported by countless studies and global education reports.
Some students have the tools, support, and opportunities to grow, while others are held back by things they can't control: poverty, distance, or lack of access.
Some work twice as hard just to be seen, while others are seen before they even start.
It's not about effort, it's about access.
Every year, millions of young people lose their chance to continue their education. Official data confirms that education gaps continue to widen, especially in low-income areas.
Not because they don't work hard, but because they don't have equal access to technology, quality learning, or support.
Some drop out to help their families. Some walk kilometers just to reach a classroom.
Some give up because they don't want to, but life gives them no other choice.
We see it every day in our schools, our communities, and even online. Opportunity decides who moves forward and who gets left behind.
Teachers, parents, and education experts have long spoken about this widening gap.
But it doesn't have to stay this way. We can raise awareness, we can share resources, we can speak up for those who don't get the same chances.
Even small community efforts, book drives, scholarship funds, peer tutoring have proven to make a difference.
Together, we can make fairness possible.
Equality isn't about making everyone the same.
It's about giving everyone the same chance to succeed.
That's the vision shared by organizations like UNESCO, DepEd, and countless youth advocates worldwide.
Fairness isn't a favor, it's a responsibility.
We all dream of a better future.
But a dream means nothing if not everyone can change it.
We're not just speaking, we're echoing the voices of millions of learners around the world.
Let's make opportunity equal. Let's lift one another, not leave each other behind.
Because every dream deserves a chance, and every voice can make it real. Join the movement, support education advocacy programs, and verified initiatives that promote equal access for all.